What? Very warning to the world about the big one disaster and mega earthquakes and the Philippines revolution. Now today is Karina and mega disaster and storms to damages properties because the World War II now to Philippines, America has happened where existence is done. You're never start because you're a lost person. You have a dream to always revolution to the Christ about the earth. So, as this stage here to 2030, mangyayari na ito ang the big one because you're very complete about your disaster to my story about the war politics and 2090 in the end of the age. Ibig sabihin, ito na ang hukom ng mga gaganap sa earth. Kasi, I really to point about sacrifice to Miss Miracle in the Philippines religion because I am and Sodom Gomorrah to raining fire peaceful in Jerusalem. This is right because sexuality to today is a burning of creator to the world of all the colors rainbow. So meaning this very tribulation and destroying the economy and the world. So your choice, President of the Philippines, because I am here in this country, sumuko ka na ng person at magpakita ka na sa akin at ibigay mo na ang pera natin. Kasi, ang pera ko, you know what, kung hindi mo na ibibigay sa akin yan, you know, reason why for this world, tingnan mo ang nangyari ngayon. Nasaan yung mga words mo, tinapon mo lang dyan sa disaster. You're always lost. I don't speak about the level because your power is material money. It's not a Christ. It's not evil, your power. Right? Kung makitib ang utak mo, Philippines government, all center, America, China, all over the world, problema mo na yan. Hindi ko problema yan. Problema ng sarili mo yan. Or what will happen to me, the person, you're longer to me debating online in this revolution. Well, mamamatay ka naman because you're older to my spite. Mas matanda ka naman ata sa akin, kaya go ahead. You're back yourself. Kaya preferred kayo ngayon kasi this is ako dito na ako mamamatay sa Philippines kasi dito naman ako nag-miracle sa aking religion member. So kung sa ibang bansa naman ako pumunta, mamamatay ako doon or what, hindi ko na problema yon because I am joyous to my life. I'm not a losing. I'm not abandoned. Pero kung hindi nyo ibigay sa akin yung life ko na mag-enjoy at money, Philippines government, all central government in the Philippines. I don't think so America and China because I am here. Trabaho niyo yung Philippines. Hindi puro kayo speak sa international for it. No. You're over to me, you believe. Kaya yan sasapitin mo, kamatayan. Comment below and share to my video right now.